Most notebooks do not come with a touchscreen. But now, thanks to AirBar, you can access all the touch features built into Windows 10. Just plug it in to get touch. Use your fingers to pan around a map and zoom in on a location. Or why not rotate it to get a better view? Swipe from the left to bring up all active windows. Just tap on any window to open it. Scroll away on your favorite website and click on that interesting link. Launch apps by tapping on them. Scroll between albums. Sweep your finger to flick through your photos. And quickly zoom in and out. You can even paint using only your fingers, right on the screen. Hello. AirBar unlocks the touch features on your Windows 10 notebook.
A splash of colours, friendly lighting, LED money saver. Choose from 16 million RGB colours. The only smart bulb you'll want to use. Simple disposable box, because the content inside matters. A user manual with easy to read setup instructions. A bright LED light, Bluetooth compatible. A robust battery life of 20,000 hours, run it for over 2 years non-stop. Download the Jinvo Smart app from the Play Store for Android and the App Store for iOS. Ensure the bulb blinks rapidly. If not, manually press the switch 3 times. Once you are done, enter the app, click on Add Device, then on Lighting Devices, put in your Wi-Fi password and you are good to go. Customize the name. Increase or decrease brightness. Flip to your colour. Sit back and set the tone right. Choose from 8 different moods. Night for a calm experience. Shine for a rainy day. Schedule your time if you live on the go. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. To set up with Amazon Alexa, open the Amazon Alexa app, go to Skills, and add skill name, which is Smart Life, and enable it. Enter your country, plug in your SMS login, authorize Alexa, and hit Discover. You can also set the brightness through the Alexa app, enter voice commands and relax. Ensure you use the name set on the Jinvo Smart app and Alexa. Alexa, turn desk light off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn desk light on.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk light color to blue.
Okay.
With control at your fingertips and an easy-to-use technology, Edson Smart Bulb will save you time and money. A single bulb for all moods alike. Edson Smart Bulb. The light choice, the right choice.
This video covers installing the Pro Power Kit inside on your existing internal doorbell. Do this before installing your Ring Video Doorbell Pro on the front of your home. You'll need to go inside your home and install the Pro Power Kit on your existing internal doorbell. The Pro Power Kit ensures that enough power is sent to your Ring doorbell. If you were lucky enough to get one of the first Pro Power Kits, it'll look like this. It's exactly the same part and is completely harmless. It just doesn't have a pretty plastic enclosure. Make sure power to your doorbell is still switched off at the breaker. Then locate your internal doorbell and remove the cover. Next, attach the wire harness to the Pro Power Kit, making sure it snaps into place. Look for 2 wires on your doorbell kit. If there are more than 2, look for a wire labeled front and one labeled transformer. Loosen the screw on the front terminal and remove the wire. Then connect this wire to the wire on the Pro Power Kit using one of the supplied gray and orange wire clips. To open the wire clip, lift the orange levers all the way up. Yes, you will feel like you're going to break them. The connector is open when the orange lever is at a 90-degree angle. Insert the wire you just removed from your doorbell into the open hole in the connector. Then snap the orange lever down to secure the wire in the connector. Then secure the black wire from the Pro Power Kit in the other hole in the connector. Finally, take the other end of this wire and connect it to the front terminal on your doorbell and tighten the screw. Now repeat this process for the other wire on the Pro Power Kit and the transformer wire on your doorbell. The finished wiring configuration should look like this. The final step is to secure the Pro Power Kit. We've included some double-sided foam adhesive that you can use to secure the Pro Power Kit if necessary. The trick here is to put it anywhere it'll fit. If you have a mechanical doorbell, like this one, make sure not to put the kit anywhere where it'll get in the way of the moving parts inside your doorbell. If the Pro Power Kit doesn't fit inside your doorbell, you can also attach it to the wall next to your doorbell, like this. Finally, replace the cover on your doorbell. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Pro Power Kit. Now you'll need to head outside to install your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. If you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our support team or visit ring.com/help. With Ring, you're always home.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favourite music. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here is a playlist for studying music, Acoustic Study, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, Echo Dot can turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you up to date, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 8 minutes.
Pasta timer, 8 minutes. Starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.